Hello gang, Pogitos here.
We're carving pumpkins today.
3, 2, 1, begin!
No!
First we gotta get the, we gotta get the seeds out. And I just have to use blunt force.
You going from the bottom out?
Yep.
Interesting strategy.
Oh God, there's a lot that gets in here. Hey, it feels so good.
Where should we put
We
this?
cut the top. We just gotta get it off now.
Oh, I don't like this. Yeah. Oh!
Hey, Fricky, put it on your side.
Yeah, yeah! Let's go, Colby.
Icky.
What does pumpkin taste like, though?
Eat it.
Yeah, I've tasted it before. It's not that good. You can eat the seeds raw, but you can also like season the seeds and eat them. They're actually pretty good.
Do we bring like paper towels or something?
They're up there. Watch this. Watch this. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Come on, don't do that. I'm having fun.
Alright, we carving now. Facial.
Carvin, where's my big one? Where's my big one?
Facial.
How big one? How big one?
Facial expression.
I just broke the knife. Awesome.
Hey, check this out. There's eyeball one.
Come on. What are you doing? He's got a tongue.
So now we got unibrow and 2 eyeballs. Alright, how am I shooting that mic?
Whoa, I messed up the eye. It's got a good personality. I'm giving him a hair.
Does that? They
Whoa,
usually like 2 or 3.
I messed up his eye.
Yes!
Yes! Ooh!
Let's go!
Get out of the camera. Okay. I got a nose
Yeah,
and
man.
2 eyeballs and a unibrow.
This is the mouth. Ah! Yeah!
I've been horribly desecrated.
Okay. Things are coming along. We got the nose now.
Oh!
Check her out. pretty good.
Alright guys, my pumpkin's ready. Right here we got Wyatt's. Wyatt, what were you going for here?
I'm cold.
Wyatt's cold. Pretty nice pumpkin. I will say so myself. This is Coleman's. He went through battle. As you can see, he's got some nice scars. And a unibrow, like multiple unibrows. And then mine over here is like a scary one, but it's got like whiskers, so it's a cat, I guess. Yeah.
Mine.
Alright, in conclusion. Oh!
Drop top.
In conclusion, we're all pretty bad at making jack-o'-lanterns. We don't really have the best tools.
And it's cold.
And it's cold.
Happy Halloween.
Yep, happy Halloween. Hey, comment who you think did the best. But Jamal Ferguson is banned from the comment
Frick
section.
you. Everyone subscribe.
Everybody subscribe.
Once
Epic
this WRC
game.
is done, more content.
Alright, see you, gang.
Bye.